In the previous lesson, we talked about the structure of present progressive tense. Now, we're gonna talk about the situations in which we use this tense. First case, and the most common one, is when we describe an ongoing action happening at the moment of speaking about it. For example, "Sorry, sir, you're too late. The plane is taking off right now." It's not a routine. It's the action that is happening at this moment. "I'm not listening to you. I am too tired." The negative action, not listening, implies this current moment. You will easily find me. I'm wearing a blue shirt and white pants. Second case is when we describe temporary events or actions as opposed to permanent ones, which we describe with the help of simple present. For example, "I'm working on a very difficult project. I'll take a vacation after I'm done." "I'm working on a project" means that sooner rather than later, I'll finish it. It's not my permanent project. If you want to say about your permanent job, you use simple present. "I'm a doctor and I work with very difficult patients." Compare it with, "I am working with a very difficult patient. I don't know if he will make it." This is a temporary situation. It's not a job description. Case number 3. We use present progressive for actions that occur very often. For example, Jack is always complaining about his job. This is so annoying. We use present progressive here to show that Jack is complaining so often that it seems like it never ends. It is that annoying. Sarah is eating fattening food all the time. She should seriously think about her health. By saying, "Sarah is eating fattening food all the time," I mean that she's eating too often. It feels like her meals never stop. They are like one big, never-ending process. And that's why we use present progressive. Okay, moving on to case number 4. Present progressive is often used to describe the nearest future. For example, "My favorite band is coming to town. I'm definitely going to their concert." My favorite band is coming to town is in present progressive because we show the nearest future. I'm definitely going to their concert shows our plans for the nearest future. That's why we use present progressive for both actions. Another example. You are not going out until you clean your room. Sounds familiar? You are not going out describes the nearest future. That's why we use present progressive. Another quite common case when we use present progressive is to show a temporary state. For example, if I say, "You are a silly boy," it shows a permanent condition. It's like this boy always shows the signs of silliness. And if I say, "You are being silly," we only mean that this person is silly in this particular case. Maybe usually he isn't. She is very naive and she trusts people easily. It shows a permanent state. But if I say, "You are being so naive, he doesn't love you," in this sentence, we show that this girl is not permanently naive, but only in this case. That's it for now. Stay tuned.